Alright, so here is an iPad Pro running iPadOS 18.2, and what iPadOS and iOS 18.2 add in terms of Apple intelligence is Genmoji. So let's open up the virtual keyboard, not this hard keyboard down here, and go to the emoji section, and let's describe an emoji. And let's do, I'm going to take an idea from Brandon Butch, which is a robot with a cheeseburger. And we get 4 iterations of that. And they'll generate more, of course. And you can choose which one you want, of course. Let's add and fries. With a cheeseburger and fries. Then we get a whole palette. So we get robot with a cheeseburger and fries, robot with a cheeseburger. And it's not doing anything else. Robot with a cheeseburger and fries below the bottom bun. That'll focus, it did. And they're separate in this one, that's good. And it generates more, of course. And fries. And a drink. So I imagine in robot world, it's probably gonna be like coolant. So that could be a soft drink, whatever you want that to be, whatever.
I think it's bigger is better.
But let's go ahead, add this. Let's go back to showing the keyboard. Describe an emoji. Heart eyes with tongue out. Oops, I would go here instead. Heart eyes with tongue out. See? And we get different ideas. Personally, I like this one the most. You can customize this to your heart's desire, just so you know. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this just because of how new this feature is. But anyway, if you found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.